got a bunch of snow days ago. Kit just got full of snow. Check this one out. You would never know this is a Kit convertible if you look at all that snow on the back. Looks just like my T-top. But yeah, check that out. So that's a Firebird convertible. It looks like a hatchback when it's full of snow. Just goes down like that, just like the way the other car does. I'll show you. Indeed, it is not a T-top. Check that out. That's like 8 inches, 9 inches of snow right there. I already cleaned this car off. Don't usually get this much snow, so I had left my cars out thinking, you know, it's not gonna get too much snow this winter, and we got a good winter snow all of a sudden, which we haven't had in a few years since I've been here. So I'm sure they'll be all right. It's just snow. Alright. It's a lot of weight for the top. You guys think you can help me scrape this? Alright, there it is. A little bit more cleaned off. You can actually see that it's a convertible now. Oh, look at that. A little turn signal. I don't have the blackouts. So it turned a little bit of ice right there. Alright, I don't want to do too much. Let the sun melt the rest off.